a lot of times when we represent owners and entrepreneurs, in addition to just the monetary outcome of the deal, there's a lot of emotion in there, knowing it was their baby and they started it and nurtured it and all those kind of things. And from your perspective and your partners, do you have any feedback? And this is one of the things, like what's going to happen to my company, what's going to happen to my customers? Any feedback from patients or customers since you've gone from a quote independent, locally owned to a bigger platform?
No, I mean, I think we lined up really well philosophically with ATI. So like I said, it's been really seamless. I mean, I think we wanted to look out for our employees. That was the first thing. They got, a lot better benefit packages. Some of the incentives that these gentlemen were talking about lined up for some management. It was, so everybody that's come in has said, hey, there's really the only thing that's changed is what you're wearing and the name on the outside of the building. And that was important to us from the get-go because we'd built it, off of, a local company. So we wanted to keep it as much mom and pop as we could, and that's what we've been able to do.